good enough.
Yeah, man, you're good enough.
Alright.
But we can't have man like you a chimber around the street.
But
So
tell
you
me
will
what
let
this.
me know.
Me not do this.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.
Me a beg you. Subscribe.
Strength, turbulence the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films. You hear me, man? I could have been one of the most notorious. I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. Keep watching. Kopang! Absolutely.
Yeah, man, we don't buy them.
You could just go get them right here, huh?
Climb tree and pick them down here, man.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
I love it. Smoke some weed. No, that good ganja we got.
Then that's the man I do.
Can we get that?
The man I walk like a gangster already. How are you, brother?
Look, come on,
Relax,
man, look,
man.
come on.
Yeah.
Give me a rating, 1 through 10.
I tell you, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah, really, gangster.
Come on now.
Tell me.
What?
So I'm girl, a Jamaican girl.
Oh, yeah. Is she a friend of yours?
No, well, yeah, me know her, but me link you up on her, you know.
All right. Let's meet her.
Just walk like that, see you, yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Think you are gone.
Me there a long time, I not see you.
That's all. There, man. You see it. We got to try out the thing, you know, the America's Got Talent. And them a tell us we nearly get through, you know.
No.
Nearly get
We
through.
fail. Nothing about not nearly get through. We not nearly get through.
You can chat someone.
Oh, no feel.
Yeah, cause
Oh, God.
what kind of talent this?
Oh, God.
Are you only, I remember say we go singing next song, are you me couldn't sing next song,
No,
brother?
no chance. We don't feel.
Excuse me, guys.
So
I'm
you-
here too.
One on, hold
like to say
on,
hello.
Hi.
a white bridge in this.
Hello.
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man,
Nice
a
to
white
meet you
bridge in
too.
this, you
All
know.
right.
So, general, no lady, you know. You understand? So, me I say, you know.
Maybe we could get to know each other, or
Yeah, man.
go on a date or something if you'd like. You know.
Me know, say, oh, yes, me, but we, you know, man. I remember say, for you say we, you know. You know, so we are general, you know. We generalists, you know, so. Watch out, I'm general. Take our number.
Yeah.
Take our number,
Number,
man.
please.
please. Man say please, man.
Your name
Man.
Pinky?
Yeah, man, a nice
Yeah,
girl,
my name
man.
is Pinky.
All right, let me.
Man say please.
876,
Yes, yes. 1876.
and then.
Hold on, I'm a general, man.
Yeah, maybe you
you
give
put
me a
all on.
number.
Yeah.
Yeah, pass it for
Yeah, give her the phone. A nice girl, you know, man.
I mean, maybe we'll go out sometime, huh?
Yeah, man.
Have a little date.
Yeah, so, man. Yeah, so she's nice. Yeah, so Jamaican girl, them nice.
Thank you very
Pinky.
much.
See it already here?
All right.
Yeah, you see the pinky in there, you see it?
All right. On.
So, we are going on the road, you know. One at a time, we are going to link up.
Yes.
You see it? So later, here.
All right, later.
Big up yourself, man.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, man. Remember my walk, you
Can
know.
go 1 hour with him too, you know. Or what? Anything you make sure me know about that.
Go on, sir, for me.
Yo, come on, man.
Go on, sir. Jungle.
Demonstrate.
What you say, Ado?
Go
No,
on,
me
dead
talk
dog.
to her about something, man.
Come on, man.
Say.
Remember my walk, you know. Yeah, man.
All right.
Right, that's a dust.
Right there.
Come, make sure you forward that, sir.
Oh, come on now.
So, man.
All right. Let me try again.
One next one.
One more. All right. Let me give it a try.
Yeah.
No!
Hold on, man. Hey, try it here.
I know how I'm going to do. I'm going to walk like a bad boy.
A gangster, yeah.
And then.
Yeah.
Oh!
Alright, try from right here.
Okay. Wait.
Gangster up again. Yeah.
Yeah! We did it!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hold on. Jeez and peace. I saw this hard, man.
You can try again.
Hold on.
Oh!
My gosh. Down there yourself.
All the way down.
Alright. Down there, yes, right?
Yes, get it.
Alright.
No, man. That's it.
Shoot, man.
Put it up.
You had 3 tries. Here we go.
I saw this thing hard, man.
No problem. Look, let me show you.
Alright.
First, you have to walk,
Look what man do, because you don't know what man do.
and then the face.
Yeah. You can't do it.
What?
What?
Amazing.
Yo,
You hit a goat.
So my friend can't do it, you know, man.
hit a goat.
Tell him, man. Look there, man. You see that? Star, send Ghana here, stuff.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
Good job.
Tell us about virgin.
Good. Yeah, man.
Good for golfing. I could go down there for them. Yeah, man. Tell us,
Amazing.
virgin.
Yes.
Good like that, man.
Very good, huh?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Remember, me tell her, man.
Too bad at all, huh?
Yeah, man.
Very good, but I'm getting a little bored with this golfing here.
Yeah?
You know what I like to really do?
Yeah.
Let's smoke some of that good ganja that we
Oh,
got.
the ganja
earlier.
was
Yes, come on.
Hold on there.
Huh?
Other way that we have to go back there, you know.
Well, then let's go.
You say you want to smoke your ganja, you know.
Well, smoke your weed, but make sure you care about them.
Yeah, we'll carry them back, man. Alright, we're going to carry back them at the world, virgin. Then you can smoke the weed.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we'll go that way. Remember, you know. And the guitar, them up there, sir.
Okay.
Remember, a bad man thing in them, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right. You got everything?
Yeah, man.
I got the weed.
I got my baby right
All
here.
right. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Don't forget your stick.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You hear that, man?
Yeah, can you wait until later?
Huh?
Just wait until a bit later with the song, all right?
All right, yeah, man.
We'll do that after the weed.
Really.
Okay.
But one day,
Yeah,
One
sure.
day.
No, one day.
we're gonna big and we're gonna make it to America's Got Talent, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Why not?
Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Almighty Jaja, Jaja you create. Jaja, me and my brethren want to hear some good.
It's sounding much better,
Yeah,
man.
man, that's
Much
hey,
better, I have to
hey,
say,
hey,
you know.
Yeah, man, that's cool, man.
Your fourth weed. Stop it. Please.
Right,
My
man.
first spliff, so what?
Don't
Yeah.
no more.
Don't smoke.
No, because the music is sounding good, my vibe
To
is
the music.
good.
No, make it smoke, man.
Come on
Come on,
now.
enjoy yourself, man.
No more. Go back to when.
Go on, play more
Come
music,
on,
man.
Burn the weed. Four that. Make
More
it burn
music.
Five, brother.
The weed that told me I eat that.
The
You
man,
know,
yeah, let's see my sound good, man. Actually, I want to, man.
the weed.
Relax, man.
Come
Ready
on,
again?
more.
Oh, Jaja. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hear that, man?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, Jaja, me and my brethren want to hear some good.
I think we need to get more
And
weed.
we want to go.
Can we get more weed?
Hold on,
I'm glad you're finally.
Let's
hold on,
go.
man. Hold on, man. Make him man hear me say no father.
Hey, shoot a shot.
You know, see, man, I smoking weed and I enjoy tune. Right, some more tune.
Well, let me get some more weed first, and then you can play some more.
So you don't want to hear me deal it. You don't want to hear me deal it.
No, but you know what? I'm gonna go home in 2 days.
Yeah.
When I get home, I'm gonna get you a link up with America's Got Talent.
What?
Yes,
No.
yes.
Yeah.
All right,
The weed.
both of you. No, don't worry. I got it all hooked up.
3 and 4 finger. 3 and 4 finger.
Yeah.
You see this?
Well, you know.
You know, man, man alright,
half in
bro.
one finger.
The man alright, brother.
No,
Listen,
yes.
man,
Don't
say
you
we get
worry.
up on America's Got Talent. Man, so we're on one more tune and we're gonna get some more weed.
Perfect. Let's get a lot more weed.
Me and my friend want figure race.
Let's do the after the weed. After the weed.
After weed.
Yeah, man.
And we go make it for America's Talent. Come me what? Me bet.
Yes.
I go make it go for America. Yo, me partner to you.
Go.
Go get
All
some
right.
more weed, man.
Come on now.
Come in, man. Brother, come in, man. You know, see, man, I'm going to go for America's Talent youth. I want to tell you. Yeah, some more weed. We go get some more weed now.
Am I walking right?
Boy, I tell you, yeah, man, yeah, right.
I'm walking
Say,
okay?
Well, I want to make it for America's Talent because I want to raise some goat, you know.
We're good.
Hey, my bad, let's go. Yeah.
What are you calling? I tell you, I know.
Where you say I go? Over you say I go?
Say, man, it's an escape.
Over you go? Escape, you know.
But tell I say, yo, you see what you call? You know, listen at time when me tell I say, yo, the man,
Where you say I go, General? Look at so. What do you mean, me not listen, brother?
Tell him, man, I.
Jesus, I'm saying. Oh, God.
Hardy! Come on, man, walk up, man.
Now, that's what I do, man.
Sorry about that, yeah, man. We lose the car, we not get through 3 grand to go to Mexico. Seasick. We can't manage the rest of it.
Sorry about man.
Yeah. Listen good. Can't tell me here now, yeah, good. What else today, man? Yeah?
Workers.
We're done with the broom selling right now. So go find out how much. If you serious, take it. Come on right now.
Oh, go on, boss. Y'all look workers too.
Yeah, man, we are look workers, man. Yeah. So you're not interested?
Yeah, man.
I know too much idea.
About,
So how much are you, my general?
about 3 grand a day.
What?
Yeah. But there's an exception. You have to deliver smile. So
No problem for smile,
our
brother.
logo is we don't only deliver ice cream, we deliver smile.
We don't have no problem with that. We don't have no problem with that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but you want to know if you dress up in some clown clothes.
Clown.
Yeah, man, some clown clothes come want the children never soon and for smile. Not only ice cream I give them a
You
smile.
look like a clown already. We don't want a clown clothes.
Yeah, but in the vehicle we promote something different. I want them to dress up in a clown clothes to attract customers.
So me understand, but so we remember, whole of people know we in the street, So me say, if we go out there go sell ice cream, them already know we don't have to dress up like a clown. So
no man, I'm more customer me want.
Take it,
You
job,
know,
man.
and
Hear that 6 feet 2 hours.
yeah, man.
alright, you wanna me am ready now all the reason and come and forward, yeah?
Alright, I'm down here, sorry.
Yeah. What you feel? Where you feel?
Take a job. 3 grand. 3 grand. That's a 6 grand a day. You can buy goat and start the farm. That better than the audition we go do. We don't get through.
No, but you still have to make it to America's Got Talent one time, but this I can start a goat business.
Right.
You understand? So, what you say?
Can't work for it, man. Take a job.
We can't just apply like no clown, brother.
Take a job, man.
Like, why we have to just apply like clown?
Listen to me. Look how we just up like a clown already. Eh? It better than we go to the audition and not get through. It's a daily job.
Ah, you are going.
And we can eat free ice cream at daytime too. Why me I get my 3 grand a day?
Ah, make a work with it then.
Exactly. Easy scooping that, man. Let's scoop and drop in a corner and drop in a cup.
Yes, my boss.
Yes, sir.
So we are work with you,
I'll take it.
I'll take it, man.
Yeah, man, that's good. So you can start training tomorrow. 9 o'clock, yeah. Remember me tell you.
Hold on, training, I will get the work tomorrow and go up on the road.
Do
Get
one
the work.
day training first. Yeah, cause I know just easy work as I think it is, But you can start work tomorrow. Alright?
Yeah, man, that sounds good, man.
Yeah, man. So
Alright, so tomorrow, deal?
about 9 o'clock.
Yes, my boss.
Alright.
We are forward work tomorrow. Thank you very much. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my boss.
Yeah, man, get a work. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yo, let's find it up now. I want to get the suit.
Eh?
Where we get the suit?
How you man go give you the suit, man?
I will.
Yeah, man.
Couple of money,
Go give you the suit, man.
Hey, I tell about Zingy, man. Zingy's not a normal boy, man. Hey, Zingy, Zingy plant. He's a yama, don't a goli. Zingy, 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 zingy. Zingy name no yam. Zingy drink no soup. Zingy a bad boy. Zingy can drive car. Zingy a be license. Oh yo. Zingy. Hey, let me tell you something about Zingy boy. Hey, hey. Hey. And more time. Hey, just when Zingy a go to school. Zingy, no boy can beat up Zingy. Zingy call up one boy and make a boy know say, hey, know yourself, you know. And just when Zingy grow big, no boy again to Zingy thing. Hey, Zingy a bad boy, Zingy a good boy. Zingy jam. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Enough soup, Zingy drink enough soup. Zingy drink enough porridge. Zingy jam. Zingy will lift you up. And drop your drum.
So, remember what I'm training on one thing?
Yes.
So you go out there now, you're representing Pager. Okay? Pager.
Yes, alright.
Yeah. So, customer friendly, customer is always right. So if they say the cream too little, give them a little more.
Okay.
Make them smile. And remember, smile back with them. We don't want a serious clown. You understand? I want a jovial clown. You
Right,
understand? Yes, smile. Yes. So,
we get it, man.
yes, man, a easy job.
A easy thing,
yeah.
man.
So
Yeah.
remember,
Yeah.
Pager you represent.
Pager, right.
Do a good job out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
Alright, sir. So, we are touch the road now.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So, yeah, we number if you call me. And we have your number already.
All right, sir.
Yes, boss. Road,
Turn on the music.
turn on the music.
Yeah.
You know, so we are going to buy the goat them now.
Right. You find the music? Uh-huh. Road. Goat have to buy.
Yo!
Money! Yeah, man, I want a job.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream,
Yeah, man. Send them out.
ice cream, ice cream,
Yeah.
ice cream, ice cream,
Ice cream.
ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Yo, wake up now, man.
We are going to want a drive. You talk about wake up.
Want to drive, but you can't
Oh,
drive.
that's too boring.
You can't drive.
What you mean? We watch car game. We
Yes,
don't
so-
watch drive and play car
You
game.
can't get that drive, man. Ice cream, ice cream,
Fear out.
ice cream.
Oh, that's...
What go on, ice cream?
No, father, no ice cream I deal with.
There, what go on?
Yeah, money. Yeah, bossy.
The ice cream?
No, father, hold up, bossy. See, man, them selling ice cream, you know. Yo, boss, one chat to you, know.
Boss.
Yeah, man, the boss, one chat to you, general, man.
Hello? Yeah. Would I have to talk to my brethren about that, you know?
Oh, wow.
One man say we can make $5 million.
$5 million?
Yeah.
Take it off, take it.
Take it off.
Take it. Take it. $5 million, take it.
Yeah man, we are taking off man. Yeah, but on a certain condition, right? Cause we are not gunman, you know. We don't know if we don't have there something there, but we not dealing there something there. Alright. So say a bad man and there's something there.
You don't need to know that, man. Ask much question, man.
So hold on. Which part you said that the warehouse there?
You say I done the road there, sir?
Oh, you want round of the when you pass the ball field and go round?
Right, yes, sir, man.
So if you do knock on the door, himself you knock on the door.
Anyone I do them, man, when you are forward, man, you can knock on, man.
Alright, sir. Me hear what you must say.
Alright then, do the right thing.
But I don't know. After work we are come check him, you know, yeah.
Alright, so
say,
me I make you know, man, when we reach road.
after work, right,
Alright.
yeah. Alright, pay no one ice cream.
No, sir, me good, man.
Alright.
Ice cream,
ice cream.
toppings too. Ice cream,
Ice cream.
I love you.
Where clown them they wanna say I come?
You say after work, them are forward. 5 o'clock, when they left work. Bossy.
Alright, we have about 5 minutes left then. I don't know. Alright, ready I know. That road there, the boy them a take, you see? So,
That's Stone Street.
yeah, this side car, see? This side car, see?
Right.
You saw everything over there. Bombs. So you can look out for enemy on this road there, cop on this road, this road. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roads for cover. So meanwhile the car come up. Uno circle them perimeter here. Clown them a come back of them. Clown them a come in front of them.
Right.
Right as everything happen.
Right.
Right as so.
Right, that's Stone Street.
Right as. So when them forward,
Ready for anything, bossy man. Anything you say, allow, you know.
say how
Ready right
man.
now.
Right.
Hold on. Yes sir, this is a warehouse at the matter.
Huh? Are you off in the way now? So I said, you.
Then the 2 away man talk to one. I must say someone.
Hold on, another one.
Man say knock on the door. One I do them, anyone I do them.
I think that something.
What you don't know me? Hold on. I know yes man.
So when the clown them can I don't know a circle. No man, I go to them man, go check it out. Yeah man, I them man, go check it out man.
You know.
Alright, my general. I want everything good man.
Everything good, man.
Where's that them?
Yeah, man.
So y'all look at it. I feel that laugh off that. Go on, man. Look back so.
What go on?
Yo, search it. No, man, come on, I say them good, man. Sure, them man, good.
I'm good, man. Come in, man. I'm not tell say, man, I'm good, bro. Alright. Ice cream man, them, yeah. That's why I call them the clown. You see me? I'm telling you, say, man, them, I go help you. Alright, here we go on now. See? Now go on a quick run through. See? This a road here. The man them a take with the money. See me? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roads to cover. Right, that's how we are take them. See? So, we are going to distract them. Bam, come up here so with the ice cream. What one drive out, if a barrow or push or whatever. Right up, yes, so now tap. Tap in highway, broke down. So by the time this man here, sister on broke down, him walk come. This man here go see when him pass. So every man go reach there in time.
Bad man, pay attention to him man when I say no.
If you take me, I say man
look like a real clown for you know.
What do you man? I tell the man, say them go be distraction. So by the time this man a pass and every man reach up there, a one man may use do the job, you know. All the rest of man them a circle the perimeter them. That's if nothing. This man here do the whole crime. You get me? So man, I just take them food. Just take your food, brother. It's a real gig this, you know. No man don't get shot, bro. Just take your food. Not even think about the police. Just take your food and come on the yard, Dan. You hear me say?
So sure one somebody can deal with the crime.
I mean.
So, one question, boss, right? This is our Stone Street.
Yeah.
So where we are going to come from where we are going to come from now? Which direction we are come from, I say?
Chopper, you can come up. In the alley, you want you come up, you know, because I want them see you when them come up, you know. Yeah. That means that when they reach in that cross section, you're brought down.
But you know, it's true, me and him grow good one way. We don't want no gun, you know. We don't want angle no gun.
We don't angle no gun. You try fix when you can't, or your car or whatever, you have your ice cream, you know. You block your way. That means they have to stop. By the time him stop, man them come take your food. By the time you see man them take your food, you just move out that way. Just take your food and come home. Remember say, $5 million not getting that. You're not getting no money, you know. The man carry about 30 million in that thing.
So you're sure, hold on now. You're sure we are getting 5 million?
You see for you broke down in that way, and you see man them start take it, just move out that way, your $5 million good. Just broke down in that way and run left your car in that way.
I just say we're not going to jail.
Just run left your car in that way. For you see man start come with gun, with high power weapon, you run.
Run, because shot can't fire that the arm team man, you run off man.
Yeah man, just don't say nothing man. You will listen to me, you know. You will listen to me, you hear me say? Just
it's a clone in here, you know.
Man, I sleep, man. What me just say look while? Take your food and come home. Oh. Yeah, him can do it, no.
Yeah man, good lad.
One him can do it.
Tomorrow man.
Tomorrow. What time tomorrow you chuck a pass?
5 o'clock.
Done deal. Same.
Alright.
You escort them back home.
Alright, so 5 o'clock.
Take it on and 5 man no man.
Keep bossing man. Boss, you're really turning in a bossy. Yeah. You say all the one a back. You say my move.
Why you that's why I write man them feature brother. You think good man. When they are brother. Yo no. Look more. What off the front page, you know?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Yeah, ice cream! Yo, we said all the dog there, brother.
Just one dog there on the front out.
We brought down, hold on, what's that it out? What's that out? We brought down. It's way hard.
There.
What you are doing it?
Yo, see clone boy then come back then. But come.
In there, yeah?
Where money?
Eh?
Money.
Yo. What? Keep it dead? Clone him gone with the money? What do I deal with, brother? Yo, my case come tell me what I want.
Yo, bossy, yo, bossy. Bossy. Yo, bossy man, yo.
So what going on now?
Tell you what go on, tell about them boy in a bossy man. tell you about what them boy in the boss, man. You're not hearing the bossy. But your trust can't put some people in the boss, I'm tell you, man.
How it go?
They killed Tibby, my father, man, and take all their money and guard my father, man. Me I tell you.
The clown them kill
The
Tibby.
clown them kill Tibby and take all their money.
That don't sound right.
Up here circle,
Clown
man.
them
The
kill
clown them. Tell you say can't do chuck them in the boss, but no, it doesn't
Where so
too much.
Where next man them there?
My circle, man, it's own circle, man. And I'm
Here
never chop him.
The clown them now go kill Tibby.
Me I tell you, boss, man, I'm tell you, man, I can't tell you that for bossy. I clone them boss, they can't just look in the boss.
So somebody tell me say security kill a man dog.
I clone them kill Tibby bossy, you know.
The clown them now kill Tibby you.
I say I clone them.
A man tell me say security kill a man you.
Boss, me say me out there in the bossy.
So you out there and make that a go on.
Boss, wait till me for the boss, on the outskirts and keep watch bossy. Come for you.
Do your circle perimeter and you see that a go on, you know.
When me reach boss, me see man on the ground, boss, and the clone me take for themselves, boss. Come for you. I can't do nothing else, bossy. Man ain't gone at the boss, but we must butt them, man. But you know, say, Puppy soon forward, man, come and circle the predator and circle back, you know.
When there?
You don't know which part exactly what he must.
More hear from him, you know, cause yo.
You go hear from him, boss, man. Now I'm telling man, come and tell you about the boy, man, and listen to the boss.
Yo, go let him in. Look at who first, you know.
I'm telling you, bossy, man.
Boss, yeah, what going on now? A good intel me get it from you now. I security do it in a bossy.
One security.
No man, I two of them. Bossy, me did I tell you already still in a bossy.
So you say a clown them do it. Yo, clown or no clown? Find them. You hear me say? Find them.
Bossy, we will deal with it as a front today. We will deal with it. Movement.
Yo, may I come out on the front, you know?
Enjoy yourself to the beach, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, say from a beach, you will be able to don't talk to you about something. But I say I wait till I come home. But you know, say I show you I'm a woman, make me tell you this. Because by an idea, I'm not supposed to hide nothing from you because we in a relationship, right?
Spill a beans, bro.
You know, say I go rich though.
Eh?
I go rich. Oh, I'm telling you, I can't come closer.
What do you mean by you go rich?
Because you know for me dirt them I do. Other day, me and Jawbone go up on a little mission for bossy. You understand? And he take away 30 mil from the clown them.
30 what?
$30 million from the clown them.
Copy nice.
With the gun them too.
30,000 or 30 million?
$30 million baby, but you talk about me can reach the 30,000.
So what on there?
I stash off you right now, we make it cool long. Because we tell bossy them say I clown them take away money and the gun them. But I will stash off you one way. I pray if you buy a crown out of my 15 because me and him go split up in half. I never want to do it still, you know. Jawbone kick off it.
Listen, if you want crown, you want jelly.
You know, easy, you know, anything.
No, joking, babes. If you go buy crown, you want jelly.
Where you get money from for the ear? I don't understand. I never get no money, so where you get money from?
And my girlfriend there do her hair and she say, come with your hair, girl. I'm so glad feet me just jump in the chair and she get up.
Make sure no man give you money for the ear, you know. Okay, you know, so me always spend on you, you know, baby girl, and me go 100 miles for you, you know. So me just want to know, so you know, clown me. Like how we are clown the boy them out the road and take a big all the money there from them.
No,
Okay,
babe,
no,
I
so you
will
have to
never
happy.
do that.
You know, say
Me
you
nah
have
do
to happy
that.
out of the money that way, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But listen to me, I say. I'm going to listen to me, I say, carefully. Make sure you listen. You
Oh
see,
my
when me
God,
tell you,
me so be
see, when me tell you about the money there, make sure so you keep this zip.
See if you some
Don't,
love chat.
not even your friend you do your ear, you know, if you tell. Not even me, you know, if you say it back to. You keep it to your what?
Self.
Okay, me no want to hear it back.
When you go for your money?
Me just tell you something and you ask me again. Me not tell you keep it to yourself.
Alright.
I say you go tell your friend of your ear. Keep it to yourself. Just rest it there so. Me ain't have to tell you, you know. Actually, I'm a woman. Just rest it there so. Just know so me I go rich. And you go alright.
So,
You can't buy a whole hair factory for your hair. You go change your
oh, you
style.
so sure though? Come. Oh, you so sure though?
And me and him deal with the mission. So me well
Yeah.
sure I will lock off the money. So I'm well sure me have to get the money. Worry yourself. I'm well sure me and him do a job. We lock off the money. Put in a nice lock spot for make it cool down. Cause it happened recently, so we don't want the thing load up. We have to make it cool down.
Alright, me here.
So just look for nice rice and peas and with curry chicken. I go up on the road go deal with something. Yeah?
You want nice rice and peas and curry chicken.
So
you give me money for cookie?
So you didn't have grocery in there?
No, I'm not in there.
Alright. I buy something and I come back and get it, I think. So listen from the call.
Mr. B, you see like how we are going to reach out.
Bush of years.
And wall of years. Listen, alright.
No talk about it, no talk about it. Because we don't know what this
is.
is.
It's like how life I got turn the other way for me. I don't bother want to cook again.
So what you want to do?
Carry in piece of Kentucky chicken for me. Go on.
But if I don't get it, what I go do? I tell you say money so come. And that me tell you now listen.
You say so come, but you say you're sure, right? So go on out there, get the Kentucky chicken.
I don't want to rush my thing, you know. I want to work off of my timing. So I go buy the chicken and the rice and the season and call at the fence and look about it.
Cook. Me no.
And I tell you something. Sure, so I call you and give you a grocery, you look about the food. It's a go problem, innit?
I go buy you too. Won't kill you. Hello.
What happened, babe?
What happened? There, man. Me I seen if you tell her, you know. Where you there?
No problem, I hideout yard.
Oh, that's so? No, sir. Such man gone on the road. And I'm up now worry about.
Alright, circle me when I'm done.
Alright, me I come check you. What happened?
There, man. They are one way.
No.
So really, I say, I know, where are they with defenders?
Alright. You know what say? Such man I tell me say. It's the mission we are sending him and the clone them pan. Nothing go so.
What do you mean nothing go so?
You see where job one I tell us say? A lie. Everything a lie. So nobody believe job one.
So,
So
so, I clone them have the money then.
and I can only have the money.
No, you know, me tell him man them, you know, me say, yo, them clown and now violate me, you know, you. Yo, talk.
You calm down now.
Me calm down, man, talk.
So, me just make you know say. You see job one I want liar. You know if you believe nothing when you say.
Yo.
Oh, see man. See all that money in. Hey, you know what I'm saying? All that money in there. But you wanna? You know say you dead.
You dead?
Yes, you dead.
Man, you healthy man.
You dead then?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah man.
You walk on.
Yeah.
So on hide out here. Want to run with my father, take on yourself now.
What do you mean by that?
Check on man, boss. I'm gonna get the bag. The dash no my father, man. I see.
The dash away.
Dash no way. I'm feeling my boss orders, man. But you walk on, just take.
So we now better get the 5 million.
No worry yourself, man. Just
Poor man now with the work, man. Mama say we working.
me know so no work, but you walk
We
on.
do more than all the work, cause we should touch that.
Tell you.
And just
What for do?
no man.
1 year, what you say?
Out my father, man.
What reason?
You ask the
Make
man,
it boss
they
then
come on,
soon,
you
you
know what man
see?
say?
Make it boss soon again, you know.
Why?
Just make it. I'm telling you, sir. Boss, I'm gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Alright. We hide out.
Yo, puppy. Yeah, man, Michelle accomplish my father, man. You see him? Every rifle, every money, everything. The boss now get nothing, boss now know nothing. Walk on, see style. Alright, oh.
Him, he liar. I don't know what to say. I don't know where he liar. We can't find out liar him. But anyways,
Fix things, man. Now get down to everything and deal with it. Don't worry yourself. Yeah?
you go fix things. Listen, you know, be not wrong for fix things, you know. But don't hurt me, man, you know. Not true. Me and you link we close and everything. Nobody hurt him. Nobody dirt him.
I'm
Here?
not doing nothing, man. I just fix things in the right way.
Because through me rate, I tell you, you know.
Just don't worry about that, man. You know what I'm saying, man, them a real boy. You see it?
So what me differently?
Me that cook some food, you know. Wait for me, I try me alone there. I eat some food more.
My belly alright.
You look nice though.
Thanks. If I never you would do.
Oh, I don't want boy them know say they're wrong, you know. Quick you make you go on.
You know, easy, you know. Go ahead now.
Look, come on, yeah.
Oh.
Yo, Chargy. The number here, you give me for crown you out. 876-424-7078. Alright.
Hello?
Yo, my dad. Running over phone for my star.
I call me for man. I don't want to do my things out. I'm do the right work for you out. Yo, stop call me now, man.
Yo, just listen what me I say, man. I know say I know you have my gun, you. And I know say I know you have the money. So you don't have to hang up the phone for me, daddy. Remember, you know? Remember, say you're back against the wall, you know, daddy.
I never know say you know all of them something there. So the youth a tell me different thing, yo. Youth a tell me say me come back and check you go do with things. At the youth me give the bag of money, brother. Me don't know how much money right now, nothing. And me give him all the gun, brother. Me never fire a real gun yet, brother. And me give him a gun. That's a wish part. So you no sure so you not do nothing, man. Me and my brethren have to depend on hideout say cause you brethren and me do the right work, brother. Me honest to you, brother. You can't do me and my brethren so, man. I better we are looking at life, you know.
Remember saying, no, police will look for you. My dog, them will look for you. You hear that? Say you must know if you want help, you know. So come circle me, dog.
Alright.
Just come check me, man. Run on my secret yard. When I reach a brown man, them this, so me give you more direction.
Me I come check you, man. Me and my brethren I come check you. Me I call him now.
I say 40.
Alright.
Job on them really take man for idiot in the star. I look how me take care of them youth a star. Alright. Watch how me I fix things.
If I joke thing this man if they find out. The youth they really go tell the man say yo, we take money, man, and take gun. Look how honest him and them. You can't, yo, you call Dede.
What,
Dede,
yeah, we're there.
you know so we don't have to hide out no more though.
Why not?
You know so I don't know where man get my number from and call me and tell me say yo, say find out say we have the money and we have a gun, brethren.
So we are trying to fly now.
The man say if we check him, brother. So make we go check him on now.
No, you alone, man.
Oh, me alone for go brethren. Remember say you cause here, you tell me say to take your work, you know. And you put me in a trouble, brethren.
You know, see how them man they pray.
So yo, I wish for your hideout now, cause my grandfather all house me there now.
If I can't tell me I hide out, but me hide.
But we don't have to hide out again, cause man say find out, say, are the boy. Cause me tell the man say, yo, General, wouldn't do that, brother. Remember say ice cream we sell, you know.
Don't believe that.
No believe that, not true. I can't set them and set you up, you know.
Right.
But the man tell me say, yo, if you want help, cause me say them say police will look for you and then bad man will look for you too. But tell that off my grandfather house if I send a bedroom. Eh? Yo, brethren, I stress out now. What you do?
No, man, just stay away there, man. Don't follow them.
So you remain in hiding? Yo, you what me do? The ice cream boss call me and ask if we not come and work, bro. And I tell him say we get the next work. Then no. I tell him say, no, he might tell me say here's something where we go on with him boss and I say nothing like that, boss. We just, I'm ask him say, if we not come back and work. I say, no, we get the next work. Yo, Dede, yo, hear me I say. I go figure it out. Yo, If you don't want to come,
Yeah, listen to me. Don't make them fool you. You know, see man them strap up.
I say man and strap up bridging, but if I boss call me and say he realize on a way. That sound like a tool like him man realize on a way. Cause remember me I say bossy. So me I say to him in a bossy, remember say we wouldn't do that ice cream we sell in a boss. And we are, and I like say we are not a real clown, but we are clown.
Tell you already, you know.
Yo, hear me I say.
Listen, I'd rather be a clown than be down 6'6". So if you want, you want.
But we can't hide, so brother. Remember, so we have to go on the road. Remember, so we want to raise the goat, them brethren. We have to go make money if we go raise the goat, them brother. We can't hide, so brother.
You know what I mean?
Yo, me so call about. Me I figure it out, brother.
Alright, figure it out.
Man, put me in a problem, man. I know some shouldn't take the road there, you know. Come like me did know some not to take the road there, you know.
Yo, puppy. You and Jawbone come meet me right now. I'm gonna talk like right now, you know.
How do you bossy?
Yeah, man.
There, man, look at yourself. So, if you're going to know, bossy?
Jawbone there.
Bossy, you even want to know Jawbone there right now, you know. Right now, Jawbone lay down in the bed and even can't get up. Jawbone go and look at one party last night and I tell you, say, he drink and he know he can't manage it. I feel vomit right now. So I alone did check in, you see me? But bossy, differently. What you say now, I dirty clown them. Because right now they're my main target in the bossy. Then clown the thing, you know. So I tell you so we ain't trust them already, you know. They are clown, you know. We can't make them clown we out, you know.
Alright, hear me I say. You want him want see same time, see? And Jawbone want see two on the same time. Don't make no move here. If you clown them, go and stay. Just listen out from the car, man.
Bossy, I tell you the truth, you know. Me, anything you say I last still, but me I tell them, you see me see them around, I good little brush them, but anything you say I last still.
Just listen out from the car.
Alright, boss, my work with the SS still. We link up still here.
It's hard, man.
Alright.
Just do what I tell you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright.
Go on, man. Man, I plan got a wife, yeah?
Yo, but
I pray to my father.
yeah, man, what you say I pray?
You know, so I don't panic. He sent us a minute to my father. Come give me a lick now, man.
I me a look out. Me a check in right now, here.
Room.
Alright, my father.
Look for now, man.
I pray. Father of heaven. Where say joggings now?
I see him badness, my father, man. When you say boss, you're going down.
You know, so I go give dog a page. And I tell her, say, dog, ask me for your time. I say, me and you ain't want to reason with. But I tell him, say, you frost out, you go a one look party and drunk and vomit. But I say, leave with you, buy the argument there. And I say, leave with you, trust what I say.
So you know what I do now?
Get rid of him, man.
Yeah, me tell you daddy.
Because I tell you, so when I tell the dog, I see the dog look into things and the dog a pray. You see me? And you know, say, boss, he a serious man, dog. And boss, you rush with. So we have to rush him before the dog bite.
Nah, make him dash more, you know. But I dash him first, you know, daddy.
So now if we do that, man, and the same look of money that we have flat down every time that we can rise up here and do it right.
I mean, we can't do spending right now. If we can low key, daddy. Remember to put him enough money on my father, man. 30 million on my father.
Yeah, mean 15 for me and 15 for you. I want crown, me I buy out that for me, you know. How you buy?
The house, me I pray up in the hills there.
Me I pray on that to that, but me I tell you a long time me I walk. Me need to start a drive now. Cause if you not drive, no carry girl you know want you. But you know the greatest thing? At least me did live somewhere already, but me ain't that drive.
I know lie.
Walk foot now weird daddy.
But I remember your father. Boss, you know where you live, you know.
That's at that type plan me I try to tell you we have to do it dirt. But even three choices are still in there because they say bush of years in it. Right now, we have to just plan how you plan and do operation.
I've not known already come ready right now, anytime I ready know my father, man.
You will say right, anything you say Allah.
Boss, you pray, sir, I want him to link with us, sir.
Feel like he knows something like that, me I try to tell you. But so we don't tell him say I clone them already, you know.
But daddy must move to go for already for your dog, man. You must know say everything legit when I'm growing badness.
Wipe if you wipe out the clone them too. I hit me that tell boss when I go link him, you know. When I tell me to make them stay, but I tell him say I no promise that, you know. Because I see them, I have to go wire it.
But I see him there when the thing go down on my farm, I link boss say I have to go dash them away, you know. But I don't know him change up his motor now. Like so
that me I tell him I move like a two-face. What we do with two-face?
I have to cut off one of them, you know.
Okay. We have to get rid of two of them. You know, say you blunder those jawbone, you make one mess up move. You see time when you take him money them from the clown and tell him to go up and hide out. You should do that. You should have dash away two of them, brother.
True,
dead man tell no one tears, you know.
That's normal prayer, man. I can't get fixed up, man.
I can't normal pray, brother. Who if you tell if one of them are inform and make bossy I get, make everything look suspicious. That man that should have wiped out a long time, dog. Because remember, you know, you see if you have tightness on your car, and you don't tighten it good, what you do?
I see him for a problem with father, man.
Okay, so now that you should have do, brother. You should have get rid of them so there's no problem with that, did it? But now you have them, then you can talk. Other man can hold gun on them and then talk, you know. And you know, boss, we do that.
True.
So you should have just dash them away from you move with the money and dash them away.
Most of the somebody that informed to your boss, to my father, in real life. You wonder why the man was close to you.
Brother, you know, if I clown them and inform pan we. Now we are move like we are clown, you know. Yo, better make a step in, dog.
Check out. Yo, 16 good.
What you mean, me lock up at one place? Where you say 30 mil good?
God, I can't make my father, man. No, I don't smell it today.
Yes. Yeah. But never see when you left over here. Oh. So where are you? You say I clone them dirty security. I clone them no marksman them man. Alright, no say alright. No say alright man. Babes. But the clown them have talent though man. Like them a marksman or something man.
You be calling a marksman.
Them have to go work with them then man. Chargy.
Yes, General. What going on?
Just come up 2 block after Brown Man Yard.
Brown Man Yard. Alright. May I forward that now?
Yeah, I see one red cloth on the gate.
Alright, my General. General!
Come in now. Yeah man, I'm filming this man.
Real man.
That's straight now, straight you know. Come on, cigarette bun for morning road.
Yeah man.
Cha. Butter and milk them take me for daddy. Yo, tell me your side of the story.
General, you know say. Alright. Everything good?
Everything good man, you're alone there so man.
Alright. So me I say now, right? You see Panada there. Me have my virgin, right?
You don't have to chamber man.
No man, I not chamber man.
School man.
So me I say me have my virgin when there. We do what you say to do, right?
Same.
And then we drive down the ice cream truck. Then now, I say one of your virgin them get lit down.
Yeah, that's what me hear boy, yes.
Yeah. So now, me and my virgin say we go help him, you understand? And then now, we go help him. But my sister in the dead. So, when my sister in dead now, me say, two a few other worker them when they down the hill. So we say they take up your gun, I go get 2 or 3 worker them.
Let's get 3 point man.
No, me I tell her.
Yeah.
So me take up the gun now. And then when me look, me say like a security them I come on to me after my virgin.
Yeah.
So I just
put it on them.
Yeah. But me don't want to do that still.
The right thing you do man. But
you don't need still, you know?
You know I say?
Yeah.
You have to know, you know.
Yeah?
Because my boy them a look for you, you know. See? And police them a look for you, see?
Yeah.
But you know, like how you do it man. Now recruit you, you know Dan.
Me?
Yeah man, I recruit you man. So you know?
No man.
Yeah man, hold this man. You me tell you. Fat boy I look for you. 2 of my juvenile them I look for you. But watch you know. Style them I use for me, because lie them I tell me, you know. You hear me I say, boy them have the money. Boy them have my money.
Yeah man, them not
tell this man you. Because you know, if them catch you, them will shoot you better.
Well on, I tell you, so I carry money go give them boss and the long gun.
Me I tell you man, so hear me I say, hold this, you see it? Just when you see them, just dirt them. But hold on no, dirty fat, hold on no man, stop shake so no man.
No man, not
dirty
shake man.
Dirty fat one first. See it? Because boy I tell me lie. You see it? Just dirty 2 of them. And then you come back and meet me. Make sure say, before you dirty him, you get the gun and the money from him.
Which one of them have the money see away? I slim one me give money, you know?
Fat one have the gun. 2 of them have the money, brother. Them have the money done. So you know what you do? Get the money. Because remember say me have a 5 million to give out of it, you know. So when you get the 5 million now, you can go on your ways and you can still work with me if you want.
I'm good man, I don't really want the 5 million. I just want to clear my name and I just want to save me and my
business. So if you don't dirt them, them are going to dirt you.
Me
You hear me say?
understand. Me understand.
So just do the work, man. And just come forward, brother.
Yeah.
Dep on safety. See?
Yeah.
Brother, stop move, son, man.
No, man,
You
good,
are the
man.
marksman in a brother.
A good man. A good man.
But if you like how yeah.
No, I say me good.
Alright, just go and go do it then.
Yeah.
You know, say me have one breaking game shot and I said you know, see Chimble and go on.
Eh.
The marks, you know. How you learn for fire gun from?
You know, so I want gun game I used to play when I was a little youth, you know. I just have to learn how to fire it, you know.
Go and go do it there.
But you know, this alone me I do it because too much.
Clear your name.
Yeah, I know.
You understand, man.
I mean, nah.
You don't have to work with me again, man.
Right.
As long as they get the money from them done and the gun, because I trade a gun them have and the both of them have one.
So police are look for me and bridging too?
You see, when you dirt them,
Mm.
you don't have no problem with the police them.
Oh.
Because them not even sure no say your face, you know.
Yeah.
You hear me say?
Alright, so which part then there? Which part we go find them?
Pan for them gun, man.
Where they live? I don't know where they live.
I don't know where them live.
Oh, one of them in the road and one. No, but that
Exactly.
no.
Same. Yeah, man. That's
No, he one with dead. I know which part him they live. Because I him they stop it truck on to sell ice
church where
cream.
him live, man.
Mm.
Up by top yard, the rest of them live, man.
Oh,
Up by top yard, when I go turn in a part. When I go
Alright.
turn in a lane,
Yeah.
right at front yard, that's where them live.
Alright. So we say just do them things and get the money and carry come. I'm clear my name, I'm done, I'm good.
And you're clear.
I'm virgin good.
And you're virgin good.
Alright. Cause I'm good. I'm virgin I got raised, you know. You know, in this, you know.
We're not just do it, man. Make sure you get back that.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Alright then.
Yeah, man. Do the dirt, man.
Alright.
Don't make nobody see it, you know.
No, man.
Please make sure you got you and come back good.
General.
Yo.
Yeah, man. I shoot the two of them.
Get the money.
Yeah, man. I shoot the two of them, man.
I see.
One of them, you see, the swimmer one. Me make him camera show me money there. But me not see gun. Me not see tall gun. Yeah, man. The whole lot of money them in them, man.
30 million.
Yeah.
Alright. Income.
So I'm good now.
Yeah, man, you're good and all.
Alright.
But we can't have man like you, a chimber on the street, so you will let me know.
Me not do that. Where you get going?
Don't worry about that.
Police are coming in.
No, listen. Yo, let me tell you something. Me they tell you, me I need to come here. But no, take up your money. Take up your money. Yeah, Leffy. Take you up. Come on.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
If you enjoy the movie, I beg you, subscribe, If you don't want to show an appreciation, you can do that via a subscription. I'll be happy for that. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. That one are different, that's all. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We have a whole bag of things going over Maggy Films. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, Maggy Nation. Big up on yourself. See? So, that. Anyway, well again, Pager Ice Cream is a legitimate business. We're not forward. Hold on. Pager Ice Cream, legitimate business. Yeah, man, and a fake ice cream they sell. See? See number here. If you want to keep on a church function, school function, link them up. See? Yeah. Yo, bet in the 3 days more, man. Me so come here, General, man. What's up with the ration, man? Yo, General, me tell you, say, me get a call, yo. Hold on, man. Hey, you want to go on, brother? Yeah, man, I'm foreign with them, man. I'm not tell you I'm foreign with the General, man, but I'm a WhatsApp number, right, man. Goat. Hey, dirty goat, top nicer, man. No, man, I foreign goat them, man. They have a different accent to the thing, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna tell you, man.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.